Hi friends, welcome back to our second lecture. I am Professor of Pradeep Sunushipoje, Ambika Public School and Junior College. Today we have to studying a crystal structure. Last time we have to study a solid state. We have to see in three types. There are two types and their sub points and their properties. Now we have to studying a crystal structure. In a crystal structure, the structure, the order, the three dimension are arrangements in a crystal described in two, namely first namely lattices and second are bases. First you have to know what are lattices and what are bases and how it's made. Now for example, you have to know NaCl. Okay, NaCl, one of the solid, and chlorine have many times a negative charge and sodium have a positive charge. Now how you have to know a lattices and a bases. First, how to make it? Lattices and bases, you have to make a crystal. Lattices are one of the some atoms and bases also. Bases are subatomic are the lattices. Now you have to see how it's made a crystal. You have to know a crystal are in many have a many shape and size. Now you have to see here it's look like a cubic structure, cubic like. Now you have to know Na have positive charge, Cl have negative charge, and it's one are a base and one are lattice. Okay, now what you have to see here. Now I am using a blue pen because they are a chlorine. Chlorine in a cubic structure there are four parts and these are a sodium, and it's make a completely a cube structure. Completely cube structure, it's a crystal. You have to know they are make a crystal. म्हणजे कसं आहे की जे तुमचं क्यूब्स तुम्ही लहानपणी खेळलेलं असेल आणि आताही तुम्ही खेळता की जे तुमचं क्यूबिक स्ट्रक्चर आहे की त्याला साधारणतः एक पूर्ण 6 बाजू असतात. ओके, 4 साईडला एक वर आणि एक खाली अशा 6 बाजू असतात. त्याच्यामधले आपण ज्यावेळेस त्याला पाहतो तर त्यावेळेस आपल्याला फक्त 3च साईड दिसू शकतात. एक लेफ्ट साईड, राईट साईड आणि एक वरची बाजू. अशा पद्धतीने आपल्याला 3 बाजू शिकू शकतात. ओके, आता त्यानंतर आपण पाहणार आहोत युनिट सेल. युनिट सेल आपण हे 11वीला असताना आपण पाहिलं होतं. द स्मॉलेस्ट रिपीटिंग स्ट्रक्चर इन अ युनिट ऑफ अ क्रिस्टलाइन सॉलिड इज कॉल्ड युनिट सेल. ही युनिट सेलची काय एक डेफिनेशन आहे. म्हणजे काय, जे तुमचं स्मॉलेस्ट रिपीटिंग स्ट्रक्चर आहे ते कसं असणार आहे तुमचं क्रिस्टलाइन फॉर्ममध्ये असणार आहे. ओके, आणि आता आपण पुढे बघतोय की वेन द युनिट सेल्स आर स्टॅकर्ड टुगेदर बाय जनरेटिंग द क्रिस्टल, each unit cell shares its faces, edges and corners. Okay, in important to understand geometrical shape, a unit cell same is that macroscopic structure. You have to know macroscopic structure. Macroscopic structure, it means it's a like this way. Okay, in axis side, and it's a cubic structure. Okay, now you have to see a first diagram in a cubic structure. Here this side have 3 sides. One side is A, second we have to giving a B, and third is giving C. First these are B and A. Years repeated there is a corner. Okay, and only B they are a bit alpha structure. Here it's beta, and corner they are is lambda structure. You have to know a macroscopic means a three axis. You have to know this is a 3 axis. Okay, 3 axis. Okay, now a dimension of a unit cell along a 3 axis denoted by the symbol A, B and C. Okay, and this angle between axes are represented by alpha, beta and lambda. Now we have to study the types of unit cell. There are 4 types of unit cell: primitive, means a simple unit cell. In a primitive unit cell, the constituent particles are present at its corner only.